the 3 best Forex brokers in Australia. In Forex, a broker can feel fine until spreads widen, execution feels slow, or you suddenly need tighter control over risk. That's when the difference shows up, and it's usually not about flashy features, it's about reliability, pricing mechanics, and how much control you have when conditions change. So this ranking focuses on what tends to matter for Australia-based Forex traders in real use, and there's one detail that often decides the #1 spot, even when the top options look similar. I'll come back to it at the end. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. How this ranking was chosen: I'm ranking these Forex brokers by execution and order control, overall trading costs, platform quality, and how well each option supports an Australian workflow without unnecessary friction. Availability, products, and pricing can vary by account type and approvals, so treat these as a practical comparison, not a promise. Rank 3, IG, strong market coverage with a mature platform. IG is often chosen in Australia because it offers a well-established trading environment with broad market coverage and a platform that many active traders find stable. It can be a good fit if you want a broker that feels structured and you value having a familiar setup with tools that support regular monitoring and active decision making. The honest trade-off is that the best experience usually comes from understanding how pricing works for your style. If you don't pay attention to details like spreads during different market conditions, you might not get the value you expect. Rank 2, Pepperstone, popular for Forex-focused trading. Pepperstone is frequently mentioned by Forex traders because it's built with a Forex-first mindset and tends to appeal to people who care about speed, platform choice, and a workflow that supports active trading. It can be a strong match if you like using common trading platforms and you want a broker that feels tuned for the Forex routine rather than being a general investing app. The nuance is that results depend on how you trade. Even with a strong broker, cost and execution can feel different depending on the pair you trade, the time of day, and how you manage orders and risk. Rank 1, interactive brokers, best for precision, tools, and long-term flexibility. Interactive brokers takes the top spot because it's designed around control and scalability. For Forex traders, that can mean more flexibility in how you place orders, manage risk, and build a workflow that doesn't break as your needs evolve. It also tends to appeal to traders who want a platform that feels more like a toolkit than a simplified app. If you value deep settings, serious monitoring, and the ability to tailor your approach, interactive brokers can be a strong choice. The honest downside is the learning curve. It can feel dense at first, especially if you're used to a minimal interface. But for many traders, once the setup clicks, the platform becomes easier to trust during fast markets. Closing the loop, the detail that decides the winner. Here's the detail that usually decides it: how much control you want when conditions change. Forex is dynamic. A broker that feels good in calm moments can feel limiting when volatility spikes or when you want to refine entries, exits, and risk exposure. If you want a mature, widely used setup, IG can be a great match. If you want a Forex-first experience that many active traders like Pepperstone can fit well, but if you want the widest runway to build and scale a more controlled trading workflow, interactive brokers often earns the top spot. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more. Remember that you can find the links in the description of the brokers mentioned in this video, with all promotions applied. Link in description.